Abortion. Abortion is the termination of pregnancy before the fetus can survive outside the uterus. It can occur naturally or be induced through medical procedure. It divided into two types: spontaneous abortion, also called miscarriage, or induced abortion, also called deliberate abortion. Spontaneous abortion, often simply referred to as a miscarriage, is the natural or unplanned loss of pregnancy before the fetus is able to survive outside the uterus. It typically occurs within the first 20 weeks of pregnancy, although most miscarriages happen during the first trimester. It can happen for various reasons, including genetic abnormalities in the fetus, hormonal imbalances, health issues in the mother, or other factors. Symptoms may include vaginal bleeding, abdominal pain, and the passing of tissue. If someone suspects a miscarriage, it's important to seek medical attention for proper evaluation and care. Spontaneous abortion further divided into two types: isolated sporadic abortion and recurrent abortion. Isolated or sporadic abortion could refer to individual cases of abortion that occur separately and infrequently without a consistent pattern. This term might be used to describe abortion incidents that are unrelated to each other and happen at random intervals rather than as part of a larger trend or pattern. Recurrent abortions, also known as recurrent miscarriages or habitual abortions, refer to a situation where a woman experiences multiple miscarriages in a row. Typically, the term is used when a woman has had two or more consecutive pregnancy losses before the 20th week of gestation. Recurrent abortion can occur due to various factors such as genetic abnormalities, hormonal imbalances, uterine issue, autoimmune disorders, or other medical conditions. It's important for individuals experiencing recurrent abortion to seek medical evaluation to identify potential underlying causes or explore appropriate treatments or interventions. This further divided into types of abortion: threatened abortion, inevitable abortion, complete abortion, incomplete abortion, missed abortion, and septic abortion. Now, induced abortion, also called deliberate abortion. An induced abortion, often referred as a deliberate abortion, is the intentional termination of pregnancy through medical or surgical means. This is done by choice and is not a natural process. Induced abortion can be performed for various reasons such as health concern, personal circumstances, and reproductive choices. The method used can include medical procedures like taking medication and surgical procedures like aspiration or dilatation and curettage, also called DNC. Induced abortions are typically carried out under the supervision of healthcare professionals in accordance with local laws and regulation. It also divided into two types: legal (MTP) or illegal abortion.